Hey beauties, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we are going to be trying out waveformers for the first time. So if you're curious to see how these work, keep watching. So this video is in partnership with Uncle Funky's Daughters, so I'm going to go ahead and grab some of my favorite products from the brand and this pack of waveformers that I found on Amazon, which I'll go ahead and link in the description box below. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so these are waveformers, which if you're familiar with curl formers and have seen my tutorial on that, they're pretty much the same thing. They just give you a different curl pattern. So this is a way for you to get some heat-free waves. So the pack I ordered came with 28 waveformers and 2 installation hooks. So they actually come in different lengths. You can order depending on how long your hair is. I went ahead and ordered the longest ones, which were 55 centimeters, and you can see the material stretches out, then it regains the wavy shape. So you attach the installation hook by clipping the pieces together, and then you just slide the hook into the waveformer to get it ready to install in your hair. So I am starting the style off with co-washed hair after using the Uncle Funky's Daughter Bye Bye Build Up Cleansing Conditioner. I'm going to be using the Midnight Train Leave-In Conditioner Spray and Curly Magic Gel, which can be found in their Ultimate Kinky and Curly Travel Kit, along with Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream. So you want to go ahead and grab small to medium sections and apply the leave-in spray to dampen the section. Then apply a little bit of the Super Curl Cream to moisturize and a little bit of the Curly Magic Gel for hold. Then you want to brush this section out and prep it for the waveformer. So you want to go ahead and insert the section of hair into the hook. Then you want to position the hook at your roots and then slide the waveformer upward and pull the hook down to pull the hair through the waveformer. So you can see the hair is in the waveformer. It's taking a shape so that when your hair completely dries, it'll go ahead and set in the waves. So repeat these same steps throughout your entire head until complete. So again, grab small to medium sections of hair and apply your Uncle Funky Daughter products, all of which are available at your local H-E-B stores or online at www.unclefunkysdaughter.com. You can actually save 15% off your order online with the discount code Naturally Chia. So be sure to check the description box below for more information on that so you can save some coins. Comment below and let me know if you've tried the brand before, and let me know what your favorite product is. So once you're done installing all the waveformers, you should look a little something like this. You can either let your hair air dry or sit under a hooded dryer, but just make sure that whatever method you use, that your hair is completely dry. So I used a total of 30 waveformers and I actually slept in them, which they were actually pretty comfortable to sleep in. Now to remove them, you just want to carefully slide the waveformer off. Now you can see that I was left with a defined wave. So these are great if you're trying to go for like a beachy wave look, and they do a great job in stretching out your curl pattern as well. And can we talk about the shine I got from using those Uncle Funky Daughter products though? Bomb.com. I mean, my hair is defined, moisturized, and super shiny. I'm loving it. So you can either leave your hair as is, or you can do what I did and finger comb and separate the curls a bit for more volume. All right, so my honest opinion on these waveformers, you guys, they were cool. Definitely wasn't mad at them, but I much rather prefer the curl pattern from the spiral or burl curl formers, because honestly, I just feel like I could achieve a similar look that I got with the waveformers through like a braid out or like a brushed out flat twist out, which really would just take me a less amount of time to style. But that's just my opinion on these. Again, definitely wasn't mad at them. I just don't think I'd be pressed to use them again. But comment below and let me know if you've tried waveformers before, and let me know your thoughts on them. Also, let me know if you prefer this look over curl formers. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so more people can find this review on waveformers. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Naturally Chia. Thank you guys so much for watching.